Hello and welcome to 533 Mohican Trail on the southern side of Wilmington near Monkey Junction. Got a street view for you here. Great location right off College Road. We've got a 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath, and a good sized yard. Let's take a look inside. Nice hardwood floors. This is the living room here. There's a coat closet right when you walk in the door. And the bedrooms and bathrooms are this way, but we'll take a quick tour through the kitchen first. We have quartz countertops, tile backsplash, stainless steel appliances with a gas range, over the head built-in microwave. Step down here into the den. It's like a converted garage, and nice space in here. There is also a complete laundry room, very spacious, with a wash tub, some cabinet space, and additional countertop space. Come back through the kitchen here. It's really a beautiful kitchen. There is also a covered, screened-in porch here, patio area. Might as well take a quick look outside while we're here. It's a good size fenced in backyard, picnic table. There is a carport, which may be of interest to someone who has an additional vehicle or a boat or something of that nature that they would like to store back here. There is a whole house generator in the event of a major storm or something like that. And there is a double gate here, which would make it easier in the event that you may need to bring a vehicle or something to the backyard to store under the carport. There's also an outdoor shower, which is a point of interest. Coming back from the beach, don't want to bring all the sand into your house. You can rinse off before you go inside. So we will head back indoors now, check out the bedrooms and bathrooms, and wrap up our tour. Again, behold the kitchen. We have a bedroom here, again with hardwood flooring. And this is a full bathroom here, nicely remodeled and updated. Love that tile backsplash. It's not backsplash, rather, it's subway tile surround. But beautiful touches, beautiful finishes. We'll take a quick peek in here to bedroom number 2 with the ceiling fan. And this is bedroom number 3. We will call this the primary bedroom, as it has the half bathroom. So, beautiful home. If you have any questions, would like to schedule a tour, if we can answer questions about our application process, we would be honored to. Please just give us a call, 910-795-4215. That is our main company line. To reach our leasing agent or leasing line directly, please dial 910-236-6370. You may also text that number or email leasing@cottonpropertymanagement.com for all the latest details. Please visit our website, cottonpropertymanagement.com, and we hope we can assist you get into your next home. Thank you so much.